same way we one kwa mad the tempo the same day na the same moment the same time as I try to say anyway I need money this my mobile man as I didn't hear before this no be any man no be made
no mema obi bia akwaba sonko e de baye dwumadi yi esunyame hyamu sedane da munya ebre agi eja etie ensem ayede ebebesom mo e wo ye fidie kasie yi eso na mo amunim say too much de Ghana wahala dwumadi edru so na ye trending ye issues and news di atrentwie wo man mu no eno na ebebeda apono so ane atwe no sere ene abasa ye di munchiri mu so aba na so watimi de wadwentwe so awowo efa nsem no ho atu edwa na ye celebrities se mo amonim se wo mo de yen ene ye ma wo mo ye wo mo na wo mo so ene ma yen so ye because me kire mu ana wo mo nyum to no ene ye famu ede ye nneoma ne abadin to no nko ne benti wo mo ni wa yesu ye nya enwom emfandi dwuma ye pep ena ebim so se yesu ye nni ho no ma wo mo so nwom to a wo mo eto no nya de se ebekọ akwakọ duru eye empempen so a wo mo ehwehwe no nanso ekwakọ ye se wo mo ama eye Ghana fo bi no ma na wo mo fans no wo mo de bi anim etwitwiri fo na denti ena meka ensem we ena de ye eye abrante Kuame Eugene ye wa super ne fan bi tese wa tete de ama no wasunsuan de ahye no ena o ye tailor de obeka se wa pamatade ni ye pa ni nyina eye adesrede kakra ye fan yi ede to nanim na enam se ankoye amfa ama no enti no wo ye se ono so ebeka na adwen ede akyere no na eye ne Twitter page ena abrante ne din ede Bakadesh 999 tweeting say of late you they show off too much anyway my momo number there something small for me go make my day nothing they go on well for my life inside and to watch us and same way every year na nua ben me so tweet back kwasiato buy food with the money you use for data to say nonsense on Twitter or call the Twitter to pay you for being a critic 24/7. Na ebusuafo me twa me ho aba me din sem no montremu ebeba besum.
Too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH. And you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Human One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.
Nana ama ousua ene day meneno ebetwetwe enkomo. Nana mo akwaba.
Mejeso. Ikoko. Amia madomiti asenko ade a me ha watso atwa.
Ye de radiase. Why a fenso?
Shrankwa.
Nana, yanko and senu emu. Wakwa ye a yenum to me, entertainer, wo entertain no crofo. Now, wo fans share a yen your ma wo ye or daughter, to do on one a boa basso. Now, like to the extent say, a baby to me, I good dear so. Oh, Nancy, who go far, we say, sending me momo be like. Are you getting that stuff? Are you uncle fan or no war? Now, with me be one edin attempt eka asema yasi edichena. Dear Kuame Eugene or ye, no concern, then a bit me a cafa.
Ekia made us say, oh, a kunya ya, what the amame, I made in a kunya ya moon, Eddie, a chia too much. It's here for an ashaphonia and a coupon coswa in shrammo, dear bia, moody bia, and in shrammo. Ewo akumapa munya editor echida na mo comment so amode ba no I appreciate it very very much. Na me ba wasem no esuno. Me personally me bonu mienu. Omo mienu ni ano efom so ewo omo. Okay. Wo fan Kuame Eugene fan yi. Yeah. Wo pe ade fi obi ho. say ope obi enu aduma and say ope ade fu bi wa e ya krokro e me deje ti wo ba no oh sire mesre o say ni say enti mami say na menye ni say na enye say no achichire mu fine e wo ahobrase mu na wo wan say na wo ba no say na say you show it off don't say a photo don't say maybe the right so no so beti makasa because me your fan na just say me pe wasem enti na me your fan me di wechi na say me follower na just say nyama wo ye no me de me pe enti na me follow enti say me hu bibi na achia wo ho a me aso na me say den aka chro enu nti say wo kan no photo no na say o show of the 20 no credit and saying Kuame you show of the to or catch them no the telephone say that obetwitwa so kakra no titwa so obejai so anu wejai na wo the same way kan same way wie ya one kwa ma the tempo the same day na the same moment the same time after to say anyway I need money this my mobile man I thought in the before this no be na aduma no be made this my mobile money send me something small life is not doing well with me me reading the text say branty onye serious onye serious na Kuame Eugene so emu aya wote ema no it was so disrespectful.
Okay,
there are so many ways to kill a cat. There are so many ways to bring out your point. Webufo baby the way I was saying there are so many ways to bring it out offended and even though say offensive crampo no won't be that offensive crampo obi a otwem obi otwem kwa hu crampo e be ne ya e de amount akono because as some okan enko kan play crampo ga mega sense because say ko de cry time won say bi wa ha ne fan bi ene ye bi na reacting na night as obu ni pe and so no okan asem anything he could have gone that way too but say we used to kwasiato like sa kasa no it's so not nice. Ill-mannered people ne kasasa. Go for omu sheda me hu say na me nka me be say me
person won kan so say ye nua be man ni mie.
Oh me nka say ni MBA but go for omu ni manners. On say your mannerism say like me never be the way you react to never be. Oh yeah star. You shouldn't let everything get to you. Say we start do me who say there are people who hate you and there are people who love you. And if you are feeling hatred from someone, that doesn't mean say you should also show say why I wanna more crime me what dada. What he did nature said or no other crown no me fa bogen yes wine me move me what the bam soon be about. Try word no is man it's so disrespectful. So disrespectful. Me born about so word no da. Don't say he was right. Say Obeka say oh man because you don't need to not bet show or bet ready or the man and the offer man. He was right to say I won't give you. But word no oyisi is wrong for a star, for an influencer, or be a for show. It was so wrong.
It was so wrong. Now ye jina Kuame Eugene say na me pese me who say de na ye emre bi Ghana for ekeka ye titi say ye abrantie no or ye rude or ye arrogant or ye like sa prideness no e won so no who say eno na wa demonstrating
say enya no kra mpa de wa ye dan Twitter aje ono a delete fio any tweet or there to enti say who nya be say fa won a definitely ye judge by actions and I say closet reactions so ye judge by what we see ye hu ye di to and I say ye dey judge obi nti say who person go for between say you are rude, you are not nice, or you are arrogant, or you are prouder. Now we start the post be say to her. Yeah, show right now you know. Yeah, and show ngakuna wakano. We post ni keke no. It tells so much about you. And nothing na USA will beat me at the post to. Never ko we echi na eduma crash no. Never ko we echi kwampo na maybe a bit crash me for that person just because of formal tweet. It's tweet there. Don't say social media will be acting as person who but you should be mindful of the kind of things you put there.
Okay. Yembra abrantie no ye nyina ye bono afafa ye jina hakaka na jina hakakra. Abrantie no so nsem odi to Eugene. Who ni say it was in a jovial way being and all say like of late they show off too much by the way this is my momo number like send me something small. Who say I grow Ohun is all a fan and you know say or can be na say or the ya agra and Kenya she.
Ekia eluna mechanic and say we artist, we celebrity. You should know say who followers no some me be share ade keke. Ebi I love you. Ebi okay, let me see what I can get from him. Obiane the reason here what they ediwechi. And you see after stand you should know all this. Many of us said this is the first time on obi edi shemu nkakuno man hu nkakuno here o man ibuefu. People like that you always meet them on social media because so many end dey wo and the comments keke bi na beda most of the times you go read your comments.
Yeah, you go read.
Obi wo ha utumi say ni buefu ni iri ofie. Na aduane bi odi ni nkyire atwam amata say akọ school ama ye ne ya. Na no wetina so no the comments bi abeto. Enu ti e bega say sa comments obeto e ba fa e abeto ase aka wansem da abonechi. It's not relevant because obi wo ha obiane na adwen obiane na opinion obiane say na oye ne nyama stifa. Enu ti say oka say wo fo obi dia wo ye so e dey expressing one then you are rather being a weak person.
Okay.
Enu ti me boy no me nka say e jovial me nka say e yero because I don't know him. Onye star who now celebrating no there's a difference between the two of you or no is unknown adi oka nka fa so be enu so but what you have said no enuti yet here no the oka o chire enuti at so you should have known say me I am more relevant than him so ignore and after don't even reply no mind him crampo me feel and I reply with something simple be and as smiles me sad then was support your home and go for ye ne ja and go for kan wasam ja even chatawale dey bia obi feel ba obe hu no beba out no the emojis bi abeto ho bo na one laughter no be one shatter le bi no do crapo or feeling who the more that is what makes you unique. That's what makes you a star because obe ela so be responding to obi after no be twa won share because obe nya na me say twa won share because you go for make one sem o make say that show before no nya bi ne hu ye way ya comment section no ye hu the chance oh obi to me ba foolish people who do you think you are waka to walk also be fa won akumayare agoka here you hu hia onu ni mu do de ba no de abeka ta nsem no ntia hu hia say also be follow up on that.
Okay nana ma ebinum nso ehu ne say ye nua be me ye Kuame Eugene response no ye hu ni facial expression ye hu say ni buafu another say it could be like say one guy na e was with that time say nti no use ye guy no anya offended no and also then a bit me akapo
ye hu response am kan no obi a tweet keke okan agro I think I quite remember I saw something like that in the news say Ghana ni baby or on Nizam company ejuma wo USA okokan ensembi na ejuma phone penifo hu yo say racism she's being racist e wo ni ono ani tweet page o okotro ensembi anu ka ono anasem na oka no desiro omo ka say she's being a racist ni tweet ni a racism tweet nti omo yineji efi ejuma mu.
Okay.
Obi kwa tweet keke we cry you the clear example crani President Donald Trump.
Yeah.
Ebi wo to be ban the tweet so be try nsem. Awe chwe na adani news wo USA na go fa ka say nti crampo no onye ni papa man ye to abama no. The tweet ye hu ni facial expression so was say on sire ye say ni go fu say agro bi kra no di anase nya agro no di but people hold it against him. And notice say we a star. When you are out there, no, because Twitter, there social media page, you'll be able to tweet. You're not going to and when you are out there, no, there are the things you should do and the things that you shouldn't do. You should watch your words because it always comes back against you. Okay. Well, another time, what could be me? I'm not rude, or they are saying I'm rude, but I'm not rude. But not tweet way that whole.
Yeah, the very fair.
You're very fair.
Or more things, and you may be saying
you are ill-mannered, or me, I'm not ill-mannered. Me, I catch you. When I catch you, be so you are a star. We are celebrating, go for do go for follow. There are young people who are after you. Say they want to be like you. This kind of language, shouldn't come out of a celebrity's mouth. Rude, so rude. It shouldn't be encouraged in any way.
Yo, Malama. Emrene eko bebre na so ye nkomodidi no ye de beba eye na wiye. Na ye de eba na wiye na say no ye celebrities no ebe ya. So we'll be sharing before to the far extent crampona they shouldn't come with that abusive words, offensive words like this. Intina dang a year foot so bank as a chair bank as I said with the bema yes, celebrities no we say dodo na either say when you chair one na one you chair na no omo bi no mo the same enti fa
what me do me aketu
ah do you aketu
the mechanic say yenim say those say we celebrities ye domo mo nyama mo ye na ya kono ye pe no na so ye san nim biam say mo ye nipa enu ti na bi wa obi ba or shed up back purposely so be tempt to keke na wagu hu fi na no no nya ho unless onya ho kwa na wagina so no de akun etia nti those say you are human beings no sometimes no your human feelings ni expressions ni emotions no take it off social media no nya the main reason for social media so we celebrate our page no dey promote your home we dey promote your brand we dey promote your business. And if you would take off your emotions, they would feelings, be ups and down from there. I think that you go far with your business with plans. And I say will carry as a celebrity. For who you are and who you represent. Than say, celebrating emotions, you are very expressing. No, can't some feel some it's not. It's not nice. So not to say, for who you people are.
I was here for aha any and commodity no AC and anama meda was pa say two side from so OJ war a first so now when a apekasa my foot to review him saying I'm sure pa. I was here for subscribing to your channel no so when you too much GH na said there be a trending issues nin someone else so woman we be na wo tweet bi and I say and go for 2020 won't be be ubeko na use ya no fu yi bi aha enti ano ne sa no ye ka ehon nsem a na ne adamfo bi ahye de ama na wakohwe bi na so watimi de adwojo eye wokra na adwinche bi a wo no so watimi de atu edwenti subscribe to your channel no na share your videos no enso na ebiemo like wetimi so follow yen ewe ye Instagram page @sumagh_. Me amede dwumade ho chiame medi ene akua sikapa menena na ama owuso a ene twetwen enkomo ha ena yedi dwumade no ebesi desone yebesane hia makram
too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great kankambuka ability worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Human One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.